Hello crafters, welcome back to Code Crafters. In today's video, we are going to explore classes and structures. So, let's get started. A structure in C++ is a user-defined data type that allows grouping multiple variables of different data types under one name. It provides a way to store related information together, making it useful for representing real-world entities like a student, name, age, marks, or a car, brand, model, price. Unlike arrays, which store multiple values of the same data type, structures allow different types of data to be combined within a single unit. This makes structures essential for handling complex data efficiently. Unlike primitive data types such as int, float, or char, a structure enables the creation of more complex data types by combining multiple attributes. This is particularly useful when dealing with records, database entries, or objects with multiple characteristics. For example, in a student management system, instead of using multiple separate variables to store student details, a structure can hold all related information together, making the code more readable and maintainable. By default, all members of a structure are public, meaning they can be accessed directly using the dot operator. This makes structures simple to use but also poses a security risk, as any part of the program can modify structure members without restriction. However, C++ allows structures to have access specifiers, private, public, protected, making them more flexible when needed. A class is a more advanced user-defined data type that not only holds multiple variables, data members, but also includes functions, member functions, that operate on that data. This makes a class more powerful than a structure because it allows encapsulation, data hiding, and object-oriented programming features such as inheritance and polymorphism. A class provides a blueprint for creating objects, allowing developers to model real-world entities efficiently. One of the biggest differences between a class and a structure is data security. Unlike structures, class members are private by default, meaning they cannot be accessed directly using the dot operator. Instead, special functions called getters and setters are used to control access to private data. This ensures that the integrity of the data is maintained and prevents accidental modifications by external functions. Classes also support constructors and destructors, which help initialize and clean up resources when objects are created and destroyed. This is particularly useful in memory management and dynamic allocation, making classes essential for large-scale applications. While both classes and structures allow grouping of multiple variables under one name, they have some fundamental differences. Structures, members are public by default, meaning they can be accessed directly. Classes, members are private by default, ensuring better data security and controlled access. Object-oriented features. Structures do not support object-oriented programming features like inheritance and polymorphism. Classes fully support object-oriented programming principles like encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, and polymorphism. Accessing members. Structures, variables can be accessed directly using the dot operator. Classes, private members can only be accessed through public member functions, getters and setters. In summary, use structures when you only need to store and organize data, and use classes when you need to combine data with behavior, security, and object-oriented programming features. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.